Good morning. Welcome to the front office department of the Javier College of Hotel Management. So today we are here to discuss about the front office department, how it works in the 5-star hotels. Normally we know that in hotel industry there are 4 major departments having with the hotel. What are they? First is your front office department, second is your housekeeping department, next is food and service department, and another is food production. But today we only discuss about front office department, and here you can see this is the reception counter. Okay. So before starting we have to define what is front office. Front office is like an interface between the guest and the hotel. Whenever guest comes in the premises, first he arrive to the front office reception only. Okay. It is like an image it is creating of the hotel. It is like a mirror which reflect the image of the hotel and standard of the hotel. Okay, we can say that it is a center of various type of guest activities. What are they? Like check-in, check-out, reservation, rooming, providing information to the guest, handling cash, handling luggage of the guest. So to perform all these activities, it is very necessary to categorize it in various subsections. So what are these subsections? First comes to the reservation department. It is one of the subsection of the front office department, and the main thing is the manager of the front office department or head of the front office department is front office manager. But in some 3-star and 4-star category hotels, directly general manager is also connected with the front office reception counter, front office department. Okay. The first section of the front office department is reservation. So what is reservation? It is normally located in the back of the house, and the manager of the reservation is reservation manager. Assistant reservation manager is also there who help the reservation manager to execute all the work in a proper manner, and in his absence also he assists him in a good manner. So हमें यहाँ पे देखना चाहिए कि इसका क्या रोल है. Reservation department is mainly responsible for the advance booking of the room for the guest. So how it get the request? Through various sources. What are they? First sources you can say that over telephone, through various sales representative, email, fax, and also CRS is also responsible for the reservation department of the front office department. So what is the CRS? CRS is known as Central Reservation System, which help to various affiliated and unaffiliated hotel to reserve advance booking, to reserve guest room for the guest. Okay. The second is, before booking, the employee should know what are the interest or what are the interest of the guest. According to that, we have to check the room availability status of the premises. Then only we can go through the reservation process. So first we have to know that what guests actually want to know, what type of facilities and services provided by the hotel. We have to provide all type of informations to the guest. Okay. Then we have to check the room status availability. After that, we have a software in the hotel which is known as PMS, Property Management System. Through this software, we have to process the reservation of the guest room. Okay. So after each reservation transaction, we have to update the room availability status, whether the reservation is confirmed, denied, or waitlisted. And after all the process, we have to provide a final report how many reservations are done, and we have to present it to the management for the better work in the future. So this is all the work of the reservation department. So next comes to the reception department. So the reception counter is also another subsection of the front office department, and the reception supervisor deals with the reception employees. So what should the work of this reception counter? First comes to the receiving and welcoming to the guest. Next comes to the completing registration facilities of the guest. Next, we can say that it assigning room to the guest, hand over key to the guest, and escorting the guest to the room by the help of bellboy. After check-in process, it circulate the arrival notification slip to various departments, so that other departments also aware that specific guest arrive in the hotel, and according to that they also able to provide various services and facilities to the guest. The employees should have to remember that whenever guest comes to the reception counter, firstly we have to greet them. How? Suppose it is morning, then we can say that good morning sir or madam, how may I help you? Suppose it is afternoon, then we can say that good afternoon sir and madam, how may I help you? And if it is evening, then we have to say that good evening sir or madam, how may I help you? And whenever you greet, you have to stand in a straight way, and with the smiling face we have to greet that. This is the main responsibility of the employee of the reception counter. Okay, to play all this role, it is very necessary that employee also should be very efficient and skilled. What type of qualities should be maintained by the employment of the employees of the reception counter? Let's listed that. First we can say that they should be very well grooming, then they should be very good communication should be very well, then they should be very punctual, loyal, physically fit is very important, because they work for the 8 to 9 hours and they have to stand in the reception counter and have to deal with the various guest relationship in the reception counter. So next is other thing is they also have the ability to handle the guest complaint, have to provide various information to the guest, so they are should be very good knowledgeable, and good memory also very important. And another thing is, another quality is salesmanship, because whenever guest comes to the reception counter, like walk-in guest, we have to sell the room and have to generate revenue for the hotel. This is the most important thing for the reception employees. Okay, so this is all about your reception counter. Then next comes to your another subsection, which is known as cash and bill. So what is cash and bill? The name of this subsection defines itself the work of this department. So what is the role of this section? It handles the monetary transaction of the guest. Whenever guest comes, after check-in, it open a account or folio in name of a particular specific member, specific guest. Okay, so whatever she take the facilities, the charges of this particular facility, like credit charges and along with the room charges, are posted on this particular account or folio. Next is cash and bill. The headed is by the cashier, head cashier, and the employee is also responsible to prepare final bill at the time of checkout. Next we can say it also responsible, they should be responsible because they have to receive various mode of payment, like it may be DD, traveler's check, cash, that all have to receive by the employees of the cash and bill and have to maintain in a register. So third subsection is cash and bill. This is another important subsection of the front office department. The head of this department is head cashier. And what are the role of this department or section? Let's see about this. The first is, whenever check-in is done of the guest, it opens a account or folio in name of that specific guest. After that, it posts various credit charges and along with the room charges in that particular account. It also prepares final bill for the guest at the time of checkout. It received demand draft, traveler's check, cash for account settlement. It also responsible for consider the foreign currencies which converted into Indian currency and also accept it as a settlement of account. Third, next point is it responsible for the prepare a final record whatever cash received by the guest. So this is all about your cash and bill. So next comes to the information desk. What is information desk? Information desk is another subsection of the front office department. It works, the name itself defines the work of this subsection. The information desk means information. Information means what type of information it provides. Whenever guests come to the premises or come to the hotel, this hotel is completely new for him. So he don't know what spa, like gym, other facilities where are located in the hotel. So to get this information and what are the facilities are available with the hotel, to know all this information, it comes to the information desk and ask about all these things. And it is the responsibility of the information desk employee to provide all the necessary information in a correct way and in a good manner. So this is the main role of the information desk. Another thing is it also handle room key of the guest, paging the guest, and also he or she should be very knowledgeable about the city events, whatever locations are located in the city, so that they can advise or suggest to the guest to hang out in various places. So after that, it also responsible to provide various supplies to the guest room in terms of newspaper, email, newspaper, messages, courier or parcel. So this is the main role of the information desk. Next subsection, which is known as travel desk. What is travel desk? Travel desk means it arranging pick up and drop for the guest on their arrival and departure. Next work is preparing vehicle for the guest at time of arrival and departure and to go for in various destiny in predetermined rate and predetermined time. Next role is it arrange full day or half day sightseeing tour for the guest along with the guide who can communicate in their language. And another thing is it also arrange bus ticket, air ticket or railway ticket for the guest. So this is the main responsibility of the travel desk. So next subsection is your bellboy. Bellboy is led by the bell captain. Okay. So what is the main role of this bell section or bell? What is the main role of this section? Now it normally located to the close to the door of the premises. The main thing is it have to handle luggage of the guest. Whenever guest comes to the premises, it escorts the guest to the reception counter. Then after processing all the check-in process, it escorts the guest to the room and along with their luggage. It also responsible for handle the left luggage room to keep the luggage of the guest in the left luggage room in a secure manner. So next subsection is bell desk. The bell desk is headed by the bell captain. So what are the role of this section? The role of this section is, this main thing is that it is located to the near to the door of the premises. Whenever guest comes, on his arrival, he helps to handle the luggage and escort him to the reception counter. After processing all the check-in process, the bellboy helps the guest to escort to his room along with his luggage. It also responsible to handle the left luggage room. Whenever guest have to go outside, after checkout he can keep his luggage with the premises for some time. So at that time it is responsibility of the bellboy to securely keep this luggage in the left luggage room. Except this, another thing, it also responsible to provide informations about the basic facilities and services whatever provided to the hotel. If a guest want to know from the bellboy, if he ask any query, then it also responsible to provide various supplies to the guest room in terms of various services like your providing stamp, providing parcels, newspapers. This is the main role of the bellboy. Next comes to the telephone operator. This is also another important subsection of the front office department. You can see whenever we check any website of the 5-star hotels to in purpose of booking any advance room, you can see that any toll-free number are reflected on that website. This toll-free number is connected with your direct front office department of the hotel industry. So whenever you call on this number, this is received by the front office department or telephone operator section of the front office department and answer all the queries and queries of the guest. That may be regarding your room reservation, that can be regarding your providing various information of services and facilities available with the hotel. Okay, if it required, then they can transfer the call to other concerned department if guest ask. Except this, another important role is it also responsible for the wake up call, to processing wake up call for the guest, and also it keep privacy of the all informations getting information dealing between the hotel industry and the guest. Last subsection is your concierge. Concierge is also known as man of the city. He or she is responsible to reserve restaurant tables, to reserve any tour and travels for the guest, to arrange any tickets for the events going on in the city, and it also responsible to arrange the air tickets and railway tickets for the guest. The main thing of the concierge is that concierge को बहुत ही knowledgeable होना चाहिए, क्योंकि जब भी गेस्ट उनको पूछता है कुछ, सपोज कोई गेस्ट कोई एंटरटेनमेंट पर्पज के लिए यहाँ पे रुका हुआ है, तो ऑब्वियसली वो पूछेगा उस सिटी में कौन सा प्लेस देखने लायक है या फिर कौन सा इवेंट वहाँ पे हो रहा है. तो कंसर्ज को नॉलेज होना चाहिए जो सिटी में क्या क्या प्लेसेस, कौन सा प्लेसेस रूमिंग घूमने जैसा है, तो उसी हिसाब से वो उसको नॉलेज प्रोवाइड कर सकता है जो ये इवेंट यहाँ पे चल रहा है या फिर दिस प्लेस इज़ वेरी फेमस, सो दे कैन गो एंड एंटरटेन दिस पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. तो दिस इज़ द रोल ऑफ द कंसर्ज. सो तो हमें अभी क्या पता चला ना, वेरियस सबसेक्शन ऑफ द होटल इंडस्ट्री और वेरियस सबसेक्शन ऑफ द फ्रंट ऑफिस डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ द होटल इंडस्ट्री. इसके अलावा और क्या काम कर सकता है ये, इट इज ऑल्सो रिस्पॉन्सिबल टू हैंडल कंप्लेन ऑफ द गेस्ट. ये हो सकता है जो कभी कभी गेस्ट को कुछ फैसिलिटी नहीं मिला हो या फिर कुछ सर्विसेज से वो डिससेटिस्फाइड हो, उस टाइम वो अगर उसको कुछ कंप्लेन हो तो वो डायरेक्टली रिसेप्शन काउंटर में ही आएगा. तो ये रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है एक एम्प्लॉय की जो हाँ उसको हैंडल करे. तो कैसे वो इसको हैंडल कर सकते हैं, जब हैंडल करना हो एक गेस्ट को, फर्स्ट हमें उसको सुनना पड़ता है, वो क्या कहना चाहता है, उसका कंप्लेन क्या है, उसको हम रिजल्व कैसे कर सकते हैं, वो हमको उसी हिसाब से उनका आंसर देना पड़ता है. लेकिन आर्गूमेंट यहाँ पे हम गेस्ट के साथ नहीं कर सकते या फिर फॉल्स प्रॉमिस भी हम गेस्ट के साथ नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, तो अगर वो ज़्यादा वायलेट हो रहा है या फिर चिल्ला रहा है तो दूसरे गेस्ट भी वहाँ पे डिस्टर्ब हो सकते हैं. उसी टाइम हम उनको आइसोलेट करके उनको समझा सकते हैं. अगर वो हम लोगों के कंट्रोल में बाहर हो तो हम कोई सीनियर अथॉरिटी या फिर मैनेजर ऑफ दिस होटल को बुलाकर वो जो सिचुएशन है उसको कंट्रोल में ला सकते हैं. जो भी हो, हम लोगों का मेन रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है गेस्ट को सेटिस्फाइड करना. अगर गेस्ट सेटिस्फाइड है तो वो एक बार क्या 2 बार भी आना चाहेगा और इसी तरह से हम लोग का बिजनेस भी आगे बढ़ेगा. सिर्फ ये नहीं जे हम सिर्फ रिसेप्शन काउंटर को संभालें, ये हम लोगों का काम है जे हाउ वी कैन जनरेट बेस्ट रेवेन्यू, हाउ कैन जनरेट बेस्ट इनकम फॉर द होटल इंडस्ट्री. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर सबसेक्शंस available with your front office department. Now here you can see this is lobby of the front office department. This is also one of the main section or main part of the front office department. Here इसका जो मैनेजर होता है या फिर हेड होता है उसको लॉबी मैनेजर बोलते हैं या फिर ड्यूटी मैनेजर भी बोल सकते हैं. वो इसको प्रॉपरली मैनेज करके रखता है यहाँ पे प्रॉपरली काम हो रहा है कि या नहीं. और इसका काम क्या होता है, सपोज रिसेप्शन काउंटर में ज़्यादा क्राउड है या फिर जो चेक इन के लिए गेस्ट आए हैं उनका रूम समहाउ प्रिपेयर नहीं हुआ है तो वो एक जगह खड़े तो नहीं रह सकते, इसलिए उन लोगों को हम बिठाते हैं कुछ टाइम के लिए वेट करने के लिए और उसी टाइम हम उनको कुछ वेलकम ड्रिंक्स हो गया ये सब भी हम ऑफर कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे फर्नीचर रहता है, सिटिंग फर्नीचर, यहाँ पे टेबल भी है, वो यहाँ पे मैगजीन भी, न्यूज़पेपर भी हम रखे होते हैं, जो कि उनको कोई प्रॉब्लम ना हो और कंफर्टेबली वो बैठ के वेट कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज द मेन वर्क ऑफ द लॉबी ऑफ द फ्रंट ऑफिस डिपार्टमेंट.